Hello. We live in the interesting moment in the technology cycle. In the past 40 years, we saw the software swinging from the data center to the edge and back. Now we are experiencing both trends at the same time. Data is moving to the cloud, while code is increasingly moving to the edge of the network, to mobiles. In the cloud, Facebook has built an astounding world-scale database, which they call Open Graph. On the mobile, Apple and Google have built amazing ecosystems for native apps. While achievements are short of breathtaking, they have taken the breath away from the web. We at Urbian see a way out of this pickle. We will remake Facebook Graph based on the core web ideals, and we will open web app creation to the masses. And now to Mark.
Our dream is to empower an army of blue-collar app makers. There's already 500,000 elite app makers, but right now you need to know a dozen different tools and technologies to make the simplest app. And if you use an app builder to build an app, chances are I will never use your app because it's lame. What is Urbian? Urbian is two things. First, it allows you to build cool apps in minutes with nothing but a smartphone browser. You design the data models, and a fully customizable, sexy UI will be generated for you. Second, it is an app network with a shared data space. This is our greatest innovation. Apps can use each other's data directly with the permission of the user. Our battle cry is no APIs! Let us show you how to make a simple app in roughly 60 seconds. If you're interested in seeing more, such as the power and ease of plugging into the app network, or just how fully customizable the fully customizable UI is, we will be happy to show you. We're going to make a simple app with two models that'll mimic a confessional. So the first model will be a SYN. As you see, there are a lot of options for the model, which are for more advanced users. And the SYN will have a name property. And when we list SYNs, we want them listed by name, so we'll make it part of the title. And we need another model for confession, which will basically have a collection of SYNs. So, and a confession will also have a title, so we can list them. And so that each confession page will have the title of the confession at the top. And of course our collection of SYNs. And of course the range of this collection should be SYN. But as you can see, you can pick a model from another app. Okay, and we're done. We can now publish this app and test it live. So let's create a confession for today. Let's say we ate too much and drank too much. And then maybe we'll want to create a confession for yesterday, where, I don't know, we worked too hard and did God knows what else. Not that. And we have our basic menu, auto-created for this app, and the profile, which is shared across all Urbian apps. And we made this app in approximately a minute. With a bit more time, you can create more complex apps, like apps with video, apps that let you record video. For example, this app we made for a hackathon that allows you to record impressions.
I'll be back.
Of various artists, or whoever you wanted.
I'll be back.
And then we had another app which allowed people to track the artists that they liked, and then see the accumulated content on them, for example, impressions, and then contact those people for dating purposes.